In this video, I will show you how to speed up YouTube editing with Gling AI. If this guide helps, please consider liking and subscribing so others can see it too. What's up guys, my name is Kyle from GuideWise. Gling AI can cut your editing time dramatically. First, you need to upload your raw footage into Gling AI. You can then select what you would like Gling AI to do. So I want Gling AI to cut out silences, bad takes, remove filler words, and add captions. Then select Enhance and Edit. Instead of manually editing hours of footage, Gling AI completes it in a matter of minutes. If you would like to make further edits, you can do so. If you're happy with everything, simply export your video. If this guide helped, don't forget to like and subscribe.